You can see the view. See, this chap is Vedant and that one is Karan. Well, hello guys. It's now 7:15 in the morning, and we are starting our ride. Okay, so we would be riding here on the bike all the way to Karjat. Okay, so we would be exploring new things. As I have said already, that journey is important, not the destination. Okay, so stay tuned. Okay everyone, so here are we for our first break, and we are at Kalamboli McDonald's. You can see it? Yeah. Here we are, the Wayside Resort. So it was an hectic journey, but yes, we have trying to manage it, and we are really very much excited. You can see the villas over here. Yes, I'm trying to capture as many moments I can. So here I am with my wife over here for a one night stay. We would be staying here for one night, and we have booked a package. The package and the deals, whatever I've coded, I'll give you the details. Okay, so we are waiting for my friends. Okay, so there are three more people who would be joining us. So कहाँ रह गए? Yeah, Karan is there, so you can see him. There you go, the guy in the red. Hey everyone, that's Omkar here again, and guess what? We are here at the Wayside Resort, and you can see the view. See this is our cottage, villa, and yes, we would be staying here, and I'll give you a room tour also, so stay tuned. So here we are. So this is the room tour which I'm giving you guys. That's one bed, which is a twin bed actually, and this chap is Vedant, and that one is Karan.
Hello.
So here also we have twin beds. That also we have twin beds. You have an AC, you have a TV, you have a very good balcony. I'm gonna show you that also. You can chill with your friends out here, and here we go. You can enjoy the view like that.
Yeah. Wow. Good. Good.
So my wife and Vedant's wife is in that villa. That is also quite nice, and it is quite same. We're back in. That's the bathroom. It's a clean bathroom, although, and you can enjoy your stay. Till then, stay tuned to my channel. Hey everyone, I'm back. So just now we are going to a point which is up there, and I'm gonna show you what is there. Okay. Ta-da! So here we are. It's now 11 in the morning, and we are checking out from this beautiful villa. So yeah, it was kind of a nice day. We have done barbecue yesterday. Had a lot chit chat with my friends out there, and it was quite nice. So yeah, it was quite a good trip post the lockdown.